Indicator lights are key to safety on roads. If any of the indicators of your motorcycle are not working, you should replace the trafficator bulbs inside them immediately. It's easy to do it. Just follow these simple steps. For this activity, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll also need a spare bulb. It is always recommended to use a genuine Royal Enfield trafficator bulb. It is available at an authorized Royal Enfield service center near you. Loosen the screws on the trafficator assembly body with the help of the screwdriver. Remove the reflector cover from the body. Hold the bulb and turn it in clockwise direction from the reflector assembly and remove the fused bulb. Insert the new bulb and fix it by rotating it anti-clockwise. Fit the new bulb firmly into the slot by rotating it in the clockwise direction. Fix the trafficator assembly body cover and tighten the screws. Your motorcycle is now ready for your next ride. Keep riding!